Then in strategizing candidates, there is the fourth aspect, number 4, which is communication. Communicating the strategy. Communicating the strategy. Now, once a strategy is decided, it must be shared with the rest of the organization. Because if employees don't understand it, then they cannot execute it. So there is need for translation. You need to translate. You have to convert it. You have to translate it. You have to turn high-level corporate speak into daily tasks that employees can relate to. And that can be done through town hall meetings, can be done through what we call town hall meetings. That's one way in which that can be done. This communication of the strategy can be done through internal newsletters, strategy maps, internal newsletters, strategy maps. There are many ways, candidates, that one can adopt. That these are maps that show visually how each department contributes. So communication candidates isn't just about telling people what to do, but it also explains why it matters, and that builds shared values, as we studied in the McKinsey's 7S framework. Shared values can be enhanced through communicating the strategy. So this is the process, candidates, of strategizing. It begins with strategic analysis. Then there is strategy issue selling. Number 3, strategic decision making. And lastly, communicating the strategy. These are 4 important aspects of strategizing, which you've said it is the doing of strategy, the doing part. It is the social and also the political process by which people actually create the strategy, they sell it, and then they implement it. So that is the end of today's lesson. God bless you. Bye-bye.